Hi guys, welcome back to Goddess's Kitchen, where today I'm going to bake some very simple honey cornbread muffins with very simple ingredients. As you can see here, I'm going to use cornmeal right there. I'm going to use buttermilk, honey, very simple, butter, which is here, brown eggs, which is there, and I'm going to spray Pam inside my muffin pan. I'm going to make 16 muffins, but as you can see, this is 6 muffins at a time. I only had 1 corn, so it's going to be 2 times making. All I'm going to do, guys, is mix my cornmeal, my milk, my eggs in a bowl that's here. I'm going to then work on my new mixer. This is my new mixer, guys, which I'm going to take the cornmeal, the butter, and the eggs, and the milk, and I'm going to mix in my new mixer. Once I'm done, I'm going to then spray Pam all over my muffin pan, preheat my oven to 350. Once I'm done, I'm going to add more honey, as you can see here. Very simple, guys. I hope that each and every one of you had a wonderful, wonderful, festive holiday on yesterday. I enjoyed times with friends, and I also did a little shopping for some of my new kitchen items. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please, guys, comment, like, and subscribe if you see this video. I'll be back with the final muffins. Thank you for visiting. Peace and understanding always. Bye-bye.